As we do more and more on our devices, we create more and more digital documents. This can get a little bit tricky. Google Drive is a free cloud storage system. It can help you store your files online, which means that you can access them anywhere from any device. Step 1 is to open your internet browser. Then go to accounts.google.com by typing the address in your URL bar. Step 3 is to look for the blue text Create an Account and click it for yourself. Step 4, enter your account details by entering your name and the email address that you wish to have. If you already have an email address and you want to connect it with Google, click the blue text that says Use my current email address and enter your email address. You will have to verify this with Google later. Don't forget to create a strong password. Then when you're done, click Next. Once you've created your account, you'll automatically be signed in. Click on the icon in the top right to manage your account. You can switch between different accounts that you have, or you can click Manage your Google account to go to a page where you can change your personal info, change your data settings, and check your security settings. Don't forget, when you're done using the internet and your account, if you're on a public computer, you might want to press the icon in the top right-hand corner and sign out.